Baghouse, one of the most efficient devices for removing suspended particulates, is an assembly of fabric food bags commonly called a baghouse. A typical baghouse comprises an array of long narrow bags, each about 25 厘米 10 英寸 chest in diameter, that are suspended upside down in a large enclosure. This latent air is blown upward through the bottom of the enclosure by fans. Particulates are trapped inside the filter bags while the clean air passes through the fabric and exits at the top of the baghouse. A fabric filter dust collector can remove very nearly 100% of particles as small as 1 厘米 and a significant fraction of particles as small as 0. Fabric filters offer relatively high resistance to airflow, which leads to substantial energy usage for the fan system. In addition, the air to be cleaned must be cooled, usually below 300摄氏度 570华氏度 before it is passed through the unit. Cooling coils needed for this purpose add to the energy usage. Several compartments of filter bags are often used at a single baghouse installation. This arrangement allows individual compartments to be cleaned while others remain in service. The bags are cleaned by removing the excess layer of surface dust. This is done in several different ways: by mechanically shaking them, by temporarily reversing the flow of air and causing them to collapse, or by sending a short burst of air down through the bag causing it to briefly expand. After the dust is removed from the filters, it falls into a hopper below and can be collected for disposal or further use. Care must be taken not to remove too much of the built-up surface dust or dust cake. In most filter types, the filter itself is only a substrate that allows for the formation of a layer of dust cake. Filters with an applied membrane coating such as polypropylene, Teflon, do not require the use of dust cake to operate at their highest efficiency, as well as volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and other gases, air toxics, are controlled by means of 3 basic techniques: absorption, adsorption, and incineration or combustion. Absorption involves the transfer of a gaseous pollutant from the air into a contacting liquid such as water. The liquid must be able either to serve as a solvent for the pollutant or to capture it by means of a chemical reaction.